Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I have some job opportunity, some top companies like KPMG, Aspire Global, and Cognizant. So all these roles are fresher for perfect. Okay, skiply if you are from 2024, 2025, 2026 batch. So stay till the end because I will share application tips, eligibility details, and all the explanation. Okay. So KPMG is hiring for analyst role. So KPMG Global Service hiring for a role of analyst in their business support group team, okay, based in Gurugram location. So role and responsibility, you will handle administrative and research work as a part of client project or business development. You will learn about KPMG process, SOPs and client KPIs, analyze client feedback and trend to improve performance, help your team complete assigned tasks efficiently within deadline. Participate in monthly meeting and share your ideas because it's a support plus analysis role. So great for learn how big consulting company operate. Okay, एलिजिबिलिटी देखेंगे तो एनी ग्रेजुएट हो जाएगा, एनी स्ट्रीम. ओके, 0 to 1 year experience is fine, so fresher are totally eligible. Location is Gurugram, Haryana. Job type is full time. So tips is like while applying, make sure your resume highlight communication skill and time management and attention to detail. Since it's a analytical profile, so focused on teamwork. And next up is a very interesting one. Aspire Global is hiring for a AI developer, and guess what? It is remote job and open for worldwide. You can work from anywhere. Okay, salary is 80,000 to 1,50,000 per month. That's roughly around 1.2 to 2.5 lakh per monthly in Indian currency. So pretty good for AI based role. Responsibility is design and build AI ML model and algorithm. Work with large database and dataset of for training and product training and optimization. Collaborate with developer, analyst and product manager. Integrate model into production system using tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Skeleton Learn. Research and explore new AI technology. Eligibility is bachelor in CS, data science, AI, and similar field. Strong in Python or Java, hand-on with framework like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and cloud knowledge like AWS, GCP. So don't skip that part. So if you into AI, ML, NLP, then this is amazing opportunity to build your career in global market. Okay, global market. So that's good. And number three is Cognizant Junior Engineer. So which is hiring for software engineer for their Chennai office. Okay. So this is the golden opportunity for fresher from IT and computer science background. Responsibility is develop and maintain React JS web application, collaborate with designer and backend developer and optimize web application and web performance and ensure responsive design, fix bug test and participate in code review, stay updated in the latest front-end technology like a skill required like a strong in React.js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and familiar with REST API, Git, and modern front-end tools, and good understanding of the cross-browser compatibility and responsive UI. लोकेशन चेन्नई हो जाएगा. वर्क टाइप हो जाएगा फुल टाइम 5 डे इन ए वीक. सैलरी डिस्क्लोज नहीं है बट यूजुअली रेंज रहता है 4 to 6 LPA फॉर फ्रेशर. ओके, while applying mention your professional or college React project like portfolio, site, to-do list, apps like that. If you have monostack project, then you can also apply. So that's all. Give you all a strong ace in shortlisting. Okay. All right. So this is the final tip. So here a few weekly application and career tips. Apply earlier. Don't wait till the last day. Apply application obtain the review first. Customize your resume using to see the description of all jobs. Okay, prepare for basic interview. For Capgemini, focus on communication and teamwork. For Aspire Global, revise AIML basics. For Cognizant, revise React.js and core JavaScript. Follow up mail and LinkedIn if possible, showing interest professionally. And finally, remember, every small application is a step forward. Even if you don't get selected, you gain experience and confidence. So don't lose hope. Your dream job is closer than you think. Stay consistent and stay confident and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, then hit like button and drop I am applying in the comment, and subscribe for daily job updates, interview tips and career advice. Thank you for watching and best of luck for your application.